Good morning. Good morning. Are you able to hear me and are you able to see my screen? Good morning, Amal, Varnika, Raj, Rutvik, Vivek. You're able to see the screen and you're also able to hear me. Thank you so much. What a day yesterday. Thank you, Amal. Thank you. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, everyone. Rafiq, good to see you. Andre, good morning. Thank you. Okay. Let me reopen. Rates are here. 23723. Wonderful. So, at least in the morning, we do not have any dip. But the dip may come, so do not panic if you're holding any positions. If Nifty is suggesting a very small dip, but it is also possible it may open and go down a little bit and then start the final destination, up or down, whatever it is. Today is also expiry for Bank Nifty, so keep that in mind. Tomorrow is the expiry for Nifty. 723, it had closed at 721, so it was a flat start essentially. So Nifty is up by 1.8 points and Bank Nifty up by 47 points. Absolutely flat. Few seconds to go. It's opened. This is about 3 minutes futures chart. This is where the focus now is. बैंक निफ्टी में एक नीचे लंबा सा डिप लगा है और उसके बाद ऊपर गया है. हम्म. अनयूजुअल. This is now the hourly chart. This is the 3 minutes. I have no problem if it continues going up, but if it goes down, then it will be difficult to find the breakout zone. 3 minute breakout zone. Let's see. Good morning, Mahesh. Good morning, Rekha, Aruna, Pramod, Himanshu. Good morning, everyone. Just saw your messages. Ah, green candle. Wonderful. First 3 minutes is a green candle. All is well so far. If you have not initiated positions, you can look at the breakout and initiate your positions if you feel like. But I would wait for a breakout of the first candle. Bank Nifty is looking more promising and is breaking out. Target for me, the next one, for Bank Nifty is 52818. 52818, as you can see here on the hourly chart. And on the daily chart, also you can see it plotted here 52818. I had spoken about this in the trade plan. I guess you have all been been able to go through the trade plan. So this is 3 minute on Bank Nifty and Nifty futures, and in 3 minutes there was an attempt to break out, but it's going down. It's taking support in the super trend. Kendra, good morning. Long time. Interesting thing is, while the Bank Nifty looks like going down, the premiums are not melting as fast, which tells us that probably this is a dip to buy. Open interest perspective, Nifty is doing well on the put open interest. That's good news. Let me see what's the scenario on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also doing well. So both open interests are pretty decent at this moment. Nifty is showing weakness on the chart, but open interest is not giving any clues for weakness. Support coming up at super trend for Bank Nifty. So all looks well. If you have positionally long situation, just relax. Do not do anything else. Do not venture out. Just stay calm. This session is more specifically for the ones who want to learn morning trades. We will take a position when we see a breakout on the upside or downside. Ideally, I want it to go down so that when it starts going up, we can build positions on the upside, on the long side. But the market looks pretty strong to go down. 6 minutes are done. जितना कोशिश करनी थी बियर्स ने नीचे ले जाने के लिए वो कर ली है. I think now we should see a up move, strong up move. Let's see. 15 minutes. Okay. 1 hour is here, and this is 1 day daily chart. All looks healthy. This is a zone where it can take support at. Let's see if this holds or it gives in. Guys, if you have not yet liked this broadcast, morning trade, please do that immediately. And if you have not liked the trade plan, please do that immediately. Thank you so much for your support. This is a very, very humble beginning. 7,500 views for the channel, all because of your support. Please like and subscribe so that you do not miss out on anything. Many of you have been knowing me for many years now and tracking me. This is my humble attempt to help you guys out. The only thing I expect is your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, and sharing the video with your friends and in your network. See, first 3 minutes का candle जो है वो बहुत बड़ा बना है. It's right from here to here. So breakdown, if you're expecting on 3 minutes, will not be visible. And it is not advisable to take a put trade anyway. So if it is not going up, we sit through and enjoy the dip because it will be followed by a bounce most likely. Daily charts, hourly charts, 15-minute charts. What do we see? On Banknifty, what do we see? This is the chart across 4 time frames: daily, hourly, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Support at 5 minutes. Okay. And Nifty, daily chart. Okay. Hourly, 15 minutes. And this is 5 minutes. Sounds good. Sounds absolutely good. As I said, that despite this dip, the premiums haven't gone down much. That tells us there is a possible inherent strength in the market, which is not letting the premiums go down. Anybody in the trade and a fresh trade today morning? In fact, I'll be happier if the market goes down a little bit. Let's say up to this pivot level 52371 at least. And then from there it bounces back. Okay, Rafiq. But Rafiq, is this a fresh position that you have made, or is it that you're carrying overnight? 9:30. Okay, Nifty is moving towards 23675 and could bounce back from here. Put तो बिल्कुल नहीं लेने का है. So don't even think of buying puts. Fresh position today. Hmm. Technically अभी buy नहीं है, but for the fresh position, but now that it has come near 23675, this is the time a possible position could be bought at a good price, but I would still like to wait and not buy here. I would buy on breakout. This is likely to act as a resistance, sorry, as a support. Very good. Look at the candle on Nifty charts. 3 minutes looks more like a hammer kind of a thing. So bottom seems to be made here. Unless this low is broken, it may initiate an up move from here. Are you noticing what I just said? Therefore, understanding candlestick patterns is important as you trade so you can get an idea where the move can come up. Look at this. Look at what is happening in Bank Nifty. Wow. Timely spotting the candle and then taking an action. Rafiq, you would be in profit by now, I guess. Thank you, Raj. So as I said, weakness nahi hai. Hold on. Sorry, I had to step away. I'm back now. Good to hear that, Rafiq. 9:37. This has got rejection exactly at the super trend on Bank Nifty. It will make another attempt. Let's see if this time the market obliges. Bank Nifty open interest is neck to neck, neck to neck. Nifty is losing the plot as far as the bulls are concerned on the open interest front. This is the situation as of now. I had bought a call of 51,500 around 600 something, which is already doubled. I think the market could take a pause here and move down and then move up. So it's not in a mood to oblige immediately because we are not seeing a breakout. Rafiq, you need to be cautious. Thank you, Raj, for the appeal. Gentlemen and ladies, kindly place your likes on this morning trade live session as well as on the trade plan that I shared late last night. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do that. Please feel free to forward the videos to your friends. I've just offloaded some of my calls and got some profits on the table. It's okay because it's always prudent to book out some profits. I'm not suggesting anything to anyone. Please take your own decisions. Some positions I've offloaded, some are still running. The directional clarity for the morning trade is still missing. We normally take the morning trades between 9:15 and 9:30 or at max up to 9:45, beyond which we do not take the morning trade, even if it goes up or goes down subsequently. So that is our time slot. So in the absence of the clear direction in the morning, we do not trade because we do not want to gamble. Very, very clear. Abhi tak we do not have any clarity of the direction for the morning trade. Therefore, no morning trade as yet. I will close this the broadcast around 10 o'clock. It's 9:45. The window for the morning trades is over. No morning trades. Any query we can discuss. If you have anything that you would like to ask, that's okay. Even if the market breaks out and gives a up move right now, so it's not a morning trade in that case. That's all. On the hourly chart, only 30 minutes chart. Let me look at what does the 30-minute candle look like. It looks like bearish engulfing, therefore expecting the market to correct further, and which is good for us. If I draw the retracement, here it is. It could go up to 52344 or 52210. This is where it is. यहाँ पे एक सुपर ट्रेंड है आर्ली चार्ट का 30 मिनट का चार्ट का from where it could possibly bounce back. Nifty is holding within that first 30 minutes range. We may see a support at this level. Let's see this level or maybe super trend which is right below this 52341. Here it is. Raj, if you made money in the Nifty PE, good for you because I would strongly recommend not to take a negative trade in the strong market. It doesn't work very well. You may do, you may have some points captured, but what happens is that the premiums will go down so fast in case of PE because the market is inherently strong that your either the SL will be hit or you will have a situation where you made almost nothing. So be careful. I do not recommend taking a put trade in a strong market. Go with the impulse, not with the correction. 52366 and 52324. It's around this level that we may see a support, and it's only a matter of time. When the support is found, the market can go up much faster. 52,397. Nifty's already seems to have found a support at the super trend. This is a 15 minutes chart. For me, the position that I will consider will only be on the call side, but I will wait for a confirmation before I enter a call position because the market has to find a base and then start giving us a reversal. So if you see, this is a call 51,500 call that I picked up around 660 or so. I don't know. I don't remember exactly, but around 600 something. It has already gone to 1300 something. I exited around 1200, which is almost double. Now we'll have to wait for a correction. I would wish it comes down to 976 levels or so. And for this is 51,800. This is okay. I want to now consider 52 only, but it has to come down. Okay. On an hourly chart, I expect a great entry to be maturing around 52,161 here, 52,161, or if it reaches there, looks very difficult. In that case, I will look for a reversal pattern to enter. This is 30 minutes. This is 15 minutes. It's taking support at the 15 minutes candle. If you notice, I have moved away from the 3 minutes charts because 3 minutes was only relevant for the morning trades. We'll now consider 5 minutes. So the moral of the story is do not trade basis emotions and impulse. If you feel like taking a trade, dil keh raha hai trade le lo, that's not how the trade is done. No trade is a good trade because you've never lost in that situation. This is the learning if you can take away from this session. No trade is a good trade. Do not get into emotional trading. It doesn't work. It will not make you profitable. If there is no trade visible in the chart, we do not take any trade. You'll understand this after you lose money, or you understand this, what I'm just saying right now. So on 5 minutes charts, we seem to be seeing some kind of a support coming in here for Nifty and also for Bank Nifty. Let's see. जब तक 52,700 के ऊपर क्लोज नहीं होता है, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन टेकिंग अ कॉल पोजीशन. It's okay to lose a few points, but I don't want to gamble. I want to be more sure when I take my trade. I may, but the certainty of the probability of making that money is much, much higher. What mostly people do is they want to buy very cheap and actually realize that the market continues going down. If you see this 1 hour candle here, iska jo high hai, that's 52,701. A closing above this is of my interest for the next 1 hour because this direction is down. As you can see, red hai. This is also red. This is also down with some kind of a base formation, but base formation is beginning, but the base has not formed. So you can't prejudge what if it goes up to here and then it continues falling down. So you need to be very careful when you take your positions. Do not trade your emotions, trade the charts. This is Bank Nifty and Nifty में क्या दिख रहा है हमको? Nifty में the weakness is less and it has stayed above this range, which is interesting. And it has taken support exactly at this range, which is also interesting. But the trend is still down. It is also in the process of making a base. Unless it makes a base and then takes a breakout from that base, there is no point in jumping to the trade. Morning trade time is more or less over. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any query, I'll be very happy to answer. This broadcast will end at 10 o'clock, another 3 4 minutes from now. So you can see a base formation in place in case of Nifty. And also for Bank Nifty. But is the base strong enough or will it give away? Is something that you need to assess before taking the entry. No emotional trades, please. Again and again, I'm repeating this because over trading, FOMO, greed, all these parameters are the culprits behind losses. So you have to learn to be in control. मार्केट को मोमेंटम दिखेगा तभी मार्केट हमारे को फायदा देगा. Buyers will always look for momentum and in our side. So right now the direction is down for the morning. It seems to be making a base here, as you can see in the 15 minutes chart and the 5 minute chart. But on the 1 hour chart, the base is nowhere to be seen. यहाँ पे लोग profit booking कर रहे हैं अपनी. You saw me also book my profits. When I'm booking my profits and you are entering, you are taking my products at a costly price, and then your stop loss will be hit. That is where I will get the same products at a cheaper price. If there's a better analogy, you can think of that. I hope this session is useful to you. आपको अगर फायदा हो रहा है तो please let me know. Please mention this. Please like, subscribe, and share this. Let others be aware of the channel. Let others be aware that we are sharing the knowledge live in the morning for 1 hour. I hope this broadcast is of value addition for you. No trade is also a good trade. Thank you, Avijit. Thank you so much. And I appreciate your joining the channel as well. Thank you so much. Please feel free to share the channel and the videos with your friends and your network. Thank you. The recording will be available on the Simple Trades channel under live section, and you can review the recording once again if you wish. Feel free to like and share it with the people. It's 10 o'clock, time to end. Thank you so much for your presence. I really appreciate that. My gratitude. Thank you so much. If I saved you from an unnecessary trade, then you can at least share it with at least one more person. Thank you so much.